there are many misconceptions on wills and probate court. Let's bring in our legal expert, Danielle Mayoras. Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon.
Thank you for having me.
All right, let's get right to it. What is
Yes.
probate court and why do people try to avoid it?
Well, probate court is the process that oversees the administration of an estate when someone passes away. And if you haven't been through probate court, consider yourself lucky. Most people do want to avoid it. It's time-consuming, burdensome, expensive. It's public, but the biggest issue is it's prone to family fighting.
Okay, so when does an estate end up in probate court? When does that happen?
Whenever someone passes away and they have assets in their individual name and there's no beneficiary designation, it ends up in the probate court. And what a big misconception is that if I have a will, I avoid probate court. No. A will is just instructions to the probate court judge about how you want your estate administered. So whether you have a will or not, you still could end up in the court.
Okay, interesting. And what are some ways people can actually avoid a probate court after they pass away?
The biggest way, that's kind of like the gold standard that us estate planning attorneys love, is using a revocable living trust. But there are other ways as well. You can have joint ownership, which means you're going to add someone else's name to your assets with you. The only issue with that is then you open yourself up to their creditor issues, and obviously you have to trust them because they could take your money. And the other way that we can do it is through beneficiary designations. The only issue with that is we have limitations on distribution. So if you want a little more control over how your money goes to someone, that may not be the best way.
Okay, interesting. So is there one type of planning that is right for everyone or that you would recommend?
It's really not a one-size-fits-all. It depends on what someone has as far as assets, what their goals are, how they want to leave their money. Are they leaving them to young kids or grandkids? Do they want to space it out? So it's really the type of thing that you want to talk with an estate planning attorney about your goals, have them educate you, and then put a plan into place that not only protects your wishes, but also your family.
Okay, and finally, where can people find more information about estate planning and probate court?
They can reach out to me or my law firm at www.brmmlaw.com.
Okay, lots of great information there. Danielle, thank you so much for joining us this afternoon.
Thank you.